Let's today start with GST Council. Before we are going to enter into this topic, what is the purpose we are implementing the GST? Actually, the GST implementation, while we are going to introduce in India, for the purpose we have to maintain the equal tax for all the persons. That means one nation, one tax. So that is the main purpose only they have to implement the GST in the year 2016. So what is the principle when we are going to follow the GST Council? In the sense is nothing but the mechanism of GST Council would ensure the harmonization on different aspects and also GST between the center and the state government, as well as they have to make it in the some union territory also. That it has been provided in the Constitution under the Act 2016. It might be the GST Council in the discharge of various functions. It plays some important role, shall be guided by the need for the harmonized structure under the GST Council, and for the development it may be increasing the national market under the goods and services. So when we are going to discuss about the functions, okay, and the functions of GST Council is nothing but we have to make the GST Council to make some recommendation to the central government as well as the state government itself. So first and foremost function is we have to make the tax rating system. So it's nothing but based upon their companies attitude, we have to make the tax rate based upon their goods and services, whether they are going to import or export. We have to make the rate determination based upon the tax innovations, okay. And then second one is exemption. So what are the items that's coming under the exemption list, okay. Then third one is threshold limit. It's nothing but we have to fix the some limitation. So some point we have to make when we are going to calculate the GST, that the limit, upper limit and the lower limit we have to fix. Say for example 0% to 12%. That's why we have to make the what are the items is coming under the 2%, 5%, 18%, 12% is based upon the goods necessity. We have to various tax rate will be fixed for the GST. And next foremost function is dispute resolution. So when we are going to prepare the GST Council at the meeting, they have to make in any dispute arise between the particular persons. At the time we have to make the resolution. The next one is we have to make another function is GST legislation. It including the what are the rules and regulations, some notification we have to follow under the GST Council. And next some important definition when we are going to discuss about under the GST law, okay. Suppose if you are going to take the consideration, under the consideration in GST we have to use the any payment are made or to be made, whether it is in a money or otherwise, will be in respect of the responsible person to inducement or the supply of goods or services, both whether we are taking the recipient or any other person, but shall include the subsidy given by the central government or the state government. Then next we take the second definition, is related to the monetary value, okay. Based upon the monetary value, some response we will be making the inducement of the supply of goods or services, or both when we are recipient by any other person, but shall not include the any subsidy under the government, either the central government or the state government. So okay, goods when we are using in the GST, we have to use so many words under the some conceptions, okay. So that goods is nothing but is a kind of every movable property other than the money or any securities, but includes actionable claim growing upon the any crops or grass, and the things will be attached for the forming of the part of the land which are agreed to be served under the before supply of goods. So okay, next non-taxable supply is nothing but we have to make the some integrated goods under the persons. It will be alcoholic liquor or human consumption is not, it is coming under the non-taxable supply.